another video. So, why am I making so many videos on my PC, even with my low quality mic and everything? It's because these videos are easy, fast, and quick. I literally just posted one today. So I posted 2 today. This might be the 3rd. They're so fast and easy and quick to make, especially because last time I didn't know that I could also screen record my mic on. On a screen record, you have to have the snipping tool. It's on like Windows 11 and stuff. If you don't have like any snipping tool or something like that built in, you're kind of cooked. So, in this video, I'm building my stone tower, my world. So, yeah. I have a version of this world that has nothing in it, but I did something to it, so it has something wrong with it. So it's not exact. Here, so let me recreate. This is how the map started off, right? And this is where I created this stuff. This is where everything started off. Just this. And just imagine the transformation. There's so much ore around back then. I mined all this ore. It was crazy. There's so much leaf litter to clean up. Gave me so much fuel. Killed all the sheep that were nearby. There's barely any mobs there. I just did everything. Look at this. Just look at this place. Now, look. Look what it's become. Honestly, man. Wow. So I filled in all the gaps. Now it's just this look more like what it's supposed to look like. Without the lava on the flow. First I have to just make like a clear outline. That doesn't look so good. The stairs are gonna enter for me. Like a door. Okay. Oh god. Okay, we'll fix that later. For now, we're going to do this. And yeah, I have to do barely any editing. And how long? So I need to not fumble. My system will take so long to process this, depending on how long recording is. I don't know how long it'll take. On the first Minecraft video, it took so long. Every second, it went through 0.2% done. 0.2 every second. Just imagine having to do 1 misbeat, 1 misbeat, 2 misbeat, 3 misbeat, 4 misbeat, 200 times. Not just 100, 200. Actually, no. It was This took 32 minutes to process. That's what it's doing on the map. Because first of all, it's 0.2, which increases the 100 to 1,000. So 1,000 seconds is 16 minutes. And since it, oh wait, doesn't matter. It took 8 minutes to process. I was on phone, so at some point it would automatically just turn off if I took too long. So I had to like repeatedly keep catching up with it. Keep tapping my phone so it don't turn off for 8 minutes, bro. It did not feel like 8 minutes. Yeah. For me right now, it's New Year's Eve, depending on when I post this. Got a new subscriber. I think it was from my Minecraft video where I showed everyone my world. Let me put this stick back in its chest. It's supposed to be in here. Probably gonna need 2 of these, but I'll just craft 1. Just in case. Alright. So now... Oh god. Holy save. Seeing as I fell in that exact same hole in the last one. Alright. And now I'm gonna fill this last gap and we'll work on the interior. It's like the base interior. Cause this, yeah, that needs help. I wonder why I wasn't using my mic and I was voicing over it. Cause I didn't even know you could use the mic. Cause I'm new to PC screen recording. Back then I did not know how to do it. And I'm lucky I didn't. Cause my videos, oh god, they make me want to puke.
Guys, it's time to play!
Alright, I'm making the floor. Gonna be home. Sing
Okay, I'm not waiting this long. I'm legit Guys, let's make a door. Perfect. No, I think it was literally off. It was off center! I'm gonna need a lot of stairs for this. No, skip it. Let's get 40. Alright. 40 stairs acquired. You're still staying in? Is that just like your AI to stay near a group of chickens? No, that's a literal AI.
Make them follow
Oh, yeah,
chickens,
by the
it's
way,
fine.
Wait, what? me turn it off. Make sure my biome blend to the lowest possible. Alright, biome blend. That's weird. This used to be a different biome. I used to be like in the actual middle of a biome intersection. So half of the chickens would be like different from the other half.
Bro, this kid's stupid. How does he
weird.
not see?
I have a lot of fixing. So to save time for future me, I'm just gonna pause the recording. See ya when I'm done. Okay guys, so I did a lot of work. Cleaned out all that. Clean up this. I should have put on some music doing this. So I have to click. Oh, you're all grown up now. Good job. Finally ready to leave the family? Gonna adventure on your own now? I'm disappointed in you. I really thought you would go somewhere. See, it's a biome cut. You see this? This is not the same color. It's a biome cut. Biomes are so small. Look, you see how small this biome is? Here, it doesn't even extend up to there. It doesn't even extend over there. You see? You see how small that biome really was? Like, look at that. It's such a small biome. There's none of it over here. It's literally just that single piece. See, that's why. I took out all the grass, but I think the biome is still there. It's like one of those biomes. It's a different biome. See, even the trees are different. This is why the chickens were different. Are they different colors? Can you tell? I can't tell, but see, this is what I'm saying. Such small biomes. How can a biome be that small? Still, how can a biome be that small? See what I mean? Some of the smallest biomes are 1 block in size. Now, I have one biome that's like a chunk big. Less than 1, actually. Is that not surprise of? Oh, thank God. God and thank God. But so for today's space, instead of using stairs, I should have crafted these. It's kind of pointless now, but I keep them just in case for any other builds. I'm gonna use ladders. Use ladders instead. Just gonna shove this in here. Is there any other ladders I have? Oh wait, I threw them away in my other video. Alright, we're just gonna... It's gonna take a while. And I'm just gonna cut this part where I'm done. 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so you guys get to watch this satisfying experience. So nice. You have 27. I'm not even sure if that can cover what we... But yeah. When the height limit was only 128 blocks, this would almost be the height limit. I think it would be the height limit, actually. This is what I was saying. I knew it wouldn't. I knew it wouldn't cover what we need. Pretend I did not fail that. Right? No, you know, it's cut. You guys saw nothing.